We have some wonderful choirs that are going to sing for you and some great music. And one thing that's special tonight is we have the Monmouth-Roseville High School Mixed Madrigal group who are going to start out the concert. They are also going to combine the concert choir kind of song. And at the end of the concert, we will all join together for a performance of Balleilakka. So it's going to be fun, and they have such a strong program at Monmouth-Roseville. You will enjoy their singing, I'm sure. And we're happy to have the collaboration happening. And here they are.
Northwestern Illinois University. Her name is McKenna Spandler. She's been with us most of the semester. I want to thank Tom and Tim very much for inviting us. Tim and I go way back. Tom and I for the last several years, but it's a huge honor for us to be a part of concert choir, chorale, and gym choir. It's a great program here at Monmouth College, and we are so delighted to be here. And I'm so excited personally that this young lady right here will be a part of this group next year. We hope you enjoy the next song. It's called Balleilakka.
happened on the way to the concert today.
I will arise and go now, and go to Innisfree, and a small cabin build there, of clay and wattles made. 9 bee rows will I have there, a hive for the honeybee, and live alone in the bee-loud glade. I will arise and go now, for always night and day. I hear lake water lapping with low sounds by the shore. While I stand on the roadway or on the pavement's gray, I hear it in the deep heart's core.
Dills, ladies and gentlemen. Nate is a professional guitarist from West Michigan. Nate, we've been doing this for a long time. We did that piece maybe 12 years ago, right, Dr. Clark? Nate is one of our first students in Michigan, and we're so happy that you're here. And Nate is living the dream as a professional musician, so we're very proud of you, very. Thank you for joining us. Alyssa, also Mathias from ethnomusicologist from Knox College. Welcome. We got a Knox in the house. Our final piece is It Takes a Village. And actually, to produce this concert choir, it takes the Monmouth Village. And I'm very proud of the fact that when Dr. Clark and I came 6 years ago, this is our seven. 7 years ago, this choir had 7 people in it. And this is one of the original 7 right here. Yes! They just never leave. And now we have students from WIU. Raise your hand. Yeah, give them a hand. We even have a student that graduated yesterday from the Upper Peninsula of Michigan that wanted to come down and sing with us. Right here, Heidi, raise your hand. Of course, we have a slew of Monmouth-Roseville students. Yeah, raise your hand. We have people, we have faculty, we have staff, and we have people from the Monmouth community. Raise your hand. And of course, we have our very own Monmouth College students. Raise your hand. It takes a village. But before I leave, I just want to acknowledge one final person, and I believe this person is the unsung hero of the music department here at Monmouth College. She is known to, keeps us guys in line, and that's Dr. Solee Lee-Clark. You know, we've never not worked together in this capacity. It's been a long time. So, anyways.
It takes a whole village to raise our children.
concert choir. That was super. Concert choir knows this, and some of you may know already, but Tom has been working on his doctorate the last couple of years, and he has accepted a position as the director of choral activities at Central Methodist University in Missouri. So he is. We're very proud of him and excited for his achievements and great things to come. We're also very sad because it's been 7 years that you've been here. Concert choir is a very different thing than it was before you came. You've had so many voice students whose voices you have changed, lives you've changed. You're so beloved by students. You've been a fantastic colleague. We're going to miss you a lot. So thank you for everything you've done here. The chamber choir is going to sing a few songs for you. We're going to do a couple of songs, 3 songs from a set of 4 Slovak songs by Bartok. And then after that, we'll do a really cool piece called Celine's Boat. And it's for choir and drum. And AJ's going to be playing steel tongue drums that have this really cool kind of watery effect. So she is getting those set up, and we will. I can tell you that Bartok, Bela Bartok was a very famous, well-respected 20th century composer of classical music, but he also was a pioneer in the field of ethnomusicology. And one thing that he did is go around to many places and collect folk songs from little villages. In a lot of places, he recorded and transcribed them, he published them, sometimes as is, sometimes reharmonizing or adding his own kind of stamp to them. So the 4 Slovak songs are from little tiny villages in what is now Slovakia. Sometimes they would have been sung for hundreds of years, but he has definitely put his own kind of stamp on them harmonically. The first one is mournful, and it's a young girl whose mother has arranged for her to marry not a very nice man, and she has to move many miles away from her home, and she's sad. That's Wedding Song from Solee. And the other 2 are less serious. There's the 3rd and 4th ones that we're doing, fast, kind of comical. One, someone who just wants to drink and dance and have fun and never do any work. And then the last one is just a celebratory kind of dancing piece. So you will hear them in 1 minute. Thank you. Chorale's going to go out to the lobby, quickly line up, and then they'll be back to sing 4 songs for you. Does it feel long yet? Are you hot?
Yes, yes.
We're doing some fun songs. The first one is a French-Canadian folk song. It's very dancey and fast and fun. Assis mon moi de voulais danser. And we're doing 2 beautiful slower pieces. I Love My Love by Holst. It's a setting of a really cool, expressive setting of English folk song. I Love My Love. And then a lullaby by Sean Crouch. And this was set to the poetry of an American soldier who was serving in Iraq. And he was writing poetry about his experiences. And this particular poem is from the perspective of an Iraqi dad who's trying to comfort his son and trying to get him to go to sleep, in spite of the fact that there's gunfire and streamers going through the air. And so he's saying, no, it's okay, this is just the new music you're hearing. It's calm down, you're safe. So beautiful setting of that. And then finally, a Philippine song, Chua.
Thank you.
have some seniors. We have 6 graduating seniors this year, and they're all terrific. They are all wonderful singers. They've been a huge part of our program in many ways. Some of them are music majors that I've had multiple classes with over the course of the last 4 years. I'm glad that there are only 6 of them, but they are so wonderful that their absence will be keenly felt, and I've been hoping that someone will flunk some classes or something. They'll have to stay out here, but I don't think that's going to happen. But in choir, in chorale, we do so many things. Of course, we rehearse, we go on, we do concerts, but we do lots of events, fundraising events. We go on trips together, incredible fun trips, and we really get to know each other very well over the course of 4 years. So I'm going to mention each one of them. And the first one is AJ Furness. And AJ is a double major in music, vocal performance, and she gave a wonderful recital last night. She's been my advisee, my student, and of course multiple classes. She's been very involved in the music department. She's been in chorale and chamber choir and jazz band and jazz band, marching band, wind ensemble, percussion ensemble, I think, for a while when we had one. Active, anyway, so very active. She was on exec for a couple of years, was the PR chair, and did posters and flyers and social media posts and everything. So hugely active part of our program, and we'll miss her very much. And Megan Holyboat, PR major in music minor. And Megan's a senior, so lots of people know her. Maybe she has a fan club out there. Megan transferred here as a junior, and so we've just had her here for 2 years, but it's been a wonderful 2 years. She immediately became such an important part of chorale and chamber and wind ensemble, and she just is so positive and funny and supportive of peers, and yeah, so she's just, everyone loves her and no one wants her to leave. So she's also been really involved in exec board, doing lots of social media posting this year, and lots of flyers and helping out. She sang in Yale Community Chorus, did a great internship with that group, an amazing job there, and so yeah, we will miss you. Eli Kelly is a music education major, wants to be a band director, and already an excellent conductor. He has been my student in about 7 classes. He's been in chorale, winds, marching band, jazz band, concert band, pep band. He didn't join chorale until his sophomore year. He had never sung in choir before, but I had him in freshman year theory, and we have to do sight singing, and I would hear him do sight singing and say, "Oh, you have a really nice voice, you should be in choir," and he didn't want to, and after about 8 months of telling him that, he finally auditioned, but only because he and Zach Lundquist sort of dared each other to do it, and then he's become an incredible addition to the group since then. I'm very glad he joined. And he also has been on the exec board, helpful with many things, and you also will be missed. You all will be missed. So let's hear from Eli Kelly. Public relations major. She's been a wonderful addition to chorale for the last 4 years and chamber for 2 years. She's also, all of these people have been so active helping out on exec board. They all care and have wanted to, make sure all of our events are a success. So they've all been really valuable. She's doing PR stuff. She's done PR stuff on the board and has designed lots of flyers and done social media things. In fact, if you notice the beautiful CDs in the lobby that we're selling, she designed the cover for those. So if you buy one, you can enjoy her artwork for the rest of your lives. And we have Zach Lundquist. He's a music and business double major. Another one of his crew has been been just incredibly involved in music in so many ways, in such an integral part of the department and ensembles. My music student gave a wonderful voice and piano recital a couple weeks ago now. Multiple student in multiple classes, in chorale and chamber, wind ensemble, jazz band, and marching band. Lots of ensembles, but always willing to help on exec board. He's very much a yes person. Zach, do you want to sing at this concert? Yes. Zach, will you help with this? Yes. Zach, will you help with these other 10 things? Yes. So he's just been an incredible person to have around. So thank you, Zach. And Corey Pettit has been a delight to have in Chorale for the last 4 years. He's a social science education major. He's going to be a teacher at, is it Avon School District next year. He also has been on the exec board. He's done a fantastic job as treasurer for the last couple of years. Of course, helped out planning many events, and he's so funny and bright and articulate that he's been, we've asked him to be the MC for multiple events like the Broadway concerts, because he does a good job at it. And so we appreciate you, Corey, and best of luck. And we have one other senior in the group, Toberman. He's going to be here for 5th year. We don't know if he'll be able to sing in chorale, but he's a wonderful voice, beautiful, beautiful voice. And I've always wanted him to sing out and be a leader, because you absolutely could be one of the best singers in the group. He is very talented in track and made nationals this year in track, and so he's like juggling lots of events, and so it might not be possible next year, but hope we see you next year, Caleb. This is Chua Ai, a Philippine work song. The Monmouth Chorale almost always closes concerts with a college song, A Flame of White and Crimson. And so we are going to do that tonight as well. Even though Monmouth-Roseville students are going to be up there with us, and most of them we sang through it once, but they had 1 minute of rehearsal on it.
Baba yetu yetu ye mbinguni yetu yetu amina. Baba yetu yetu ye, jina lako litukuzwe. Baba yetu yetu ye mbinguni yetu yetu amina. Baba yetu yetu ye, jina lako litukuzwe. Utupe leo chakula chetu tunachohitaji, tusamehe makosa yetu katika majaribu, lakini utuokoe na yule mwovu milele. Baba yetu yetu uliye mbinguni, yetu yetu amina. Baba yetu yetu uliye, jina lako litukuzwe. Baba yetu yetu uliye mbinguni, yetu yetu amina. Baba yetu yetu uliye, jina lako litukuzwe.
So, at this point, we invite any past members of the chorale, like Caitlin McCullough and Joey Feenstra, to come up and sing of White and Luke Pratt and Vanessa Campagna and Alyssa Mathias. Excellent. Anyone else? You're welcome to come up and sing the college song with us.